Welcome back to Brews with Brena, the show where we style our hair super cute and review craft beer. Keep watching and see how I got the style and see what beer we're drinking today. So the beer we're trying today is one by Little Brown Jug. It is called Hefeweizen. Doesn't it look beautiful? I don't know, it seems kind of an odd beer. Whoa. Cheers, boys. Damn. I put it in the freezer beforehand too, so it's freaking real delish, real delish. So let's get started with this hairstyle. Oh, my tetes are out. I don't know, what do you want? It's summer, that's what happens. If you watched my other bubble braids video, this is gonna be similar. Just gonna be a little more cutesy and fun. So what you're gonna need is a comb, little elastics, and a good attitude. Okay, so part your hair down the middle. Mine's already parted down the middle. Yeah, this seems like a good place to start. First thing you want to do, put a ponytail in there, boys. Use one that's most similar to your hair color and that has like a low profile so it lies more flat. I'm gonna do both sides at the same time. That way we're making sure they're like perfectly even. You'll be able to take more of a familiar section if you're doing them one after another. Okay, now you kind of want to scoot this mofo out of the way. Take another section. Hefeweizen, clearly a German name. It says it's a wheat beer with banana clove bread. So basically banana bread. You know, when you think banana bread, you think it'd be heavy, but it's not. Like banana bread beer. Like banana bread beer. I don't know, I feel like it's gonna be a wackadoodle video, but whatever. Try to take the exact same section as you did on the side prior. And remember guys, if you're seeing bubbling before you put the elastic in, there's gonna be bubbling after you put the elastic in too. I'm willing this one a little more snug. Let's do it tight, because then you'll get a more professional look, guys. I'm kind of learning as I go too. Oh my god, that is so friggin' cute. I'm gonna take this little piece of hair right here. You need to support this, because otherwise, if you're just yanking on it, you're gonna be pulling out the base hair too. You just wanna be pulling out the bubble. Little bit at a time, because it's harder to throw her in reverse than it is to go forward. Now do the same to this side, guys. Support your base and lightly tug, tug, tug. And you don't have to tug. If you want it to lie more flat, don't even tug on that at all. Cute. So now we're just gonna put bubbles in the ponytail hair. Remember boys, before we move on to the next one, bubble this out. Pull her out slightly. Oh my gosh, it's like the quickest, easiest hairstyle ever. I feel like I'm robbing you guys. Well, you guys only watch, about a minute and a half of my videos, so what does it matter? If you get to this part, cheers, boy. Maybe I'll do one more little bubby bub. I'm not gonna lie, the only other beer I've had from Little Brown Jug was their very famous beer. It's called 1919. I don't like it. Man, I freaking like this one. And I don't think we've done a beer from Little Brown Jug, so it's dope. Ooh, baby. Ooh, oh, careful not to get extra hair in there. Ooh, oh, see, I went a little too ham there, but it'll be okay. It's just extra pizzazz. I feel like this looks friggin' cute AF. Do you ever get pimples in your armpits? Why do I have pimples in my armpits? I don't know, maybe it's like chafing, hey guys? You can see when I lean forward, this side's a little weak. I'm gonna redo it. So I redid this one, and you know what? I don't know if it's much better than what it was. They're similar enough. I could leave my hair wavy like this, but I'm gonna flat iron it actually. And it just makes it look like a little more profesh. I feel like this is gonna be the quickest, most boring video ever, but guess what, bitch? You got summer to enjoy, and so do I. Come on. Oh, good dog. Oh, look at him. What do you think of this beer, Stinko? Do you like it? Does it look yummy? Do you like Mommy's hairstyle? He's my little baby boy. I thought this was a cute little fun summer look. Theme of this video, summer fun, quick, easy, delish. I wouldn't necessarily think right away banana and bread for a summer beer, but yes. I always get so drunk I forget if I have the record button on. Remember guys, take the edge of your comb, lightly go shebang-a-bang. I kind of imagined this style. Maybe I've seen it on Instagram, but there wasn't really any inspo photo this time. Really the inspo was my hairstyle on my last Brews with Brena, which was that one, which I don't think that shows it off very well, but what are you gonna do? Based off of where I put these ponytails or whatever, this one's more, it's more set back. This one's set forward a little, so this braid sits like this and this one sits a little more back. It's not perfect, but it's close enough. Who the f***'s gonna notice? So remember, don't get down on yourself. Keep going and try again. Who cares? I still look like a bad bitch because I put this much effort in. You know what I'm saying? Okay, we're gonna put a little shine spray in. I got a little bit of dandruff flakes in there, boys. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at the style. It is so freaking sexy. Okay, a little more shine spray. Okay, would I buy this beer again? Yeah, buddy, I buy this beer again. Know what I'm saying? Super good. I feel like I would buy it to try and press Morgan or something. And she'd be like, delish. You know what? I love that there's no aftertaste. It's delish. It's light. It's not too sweet. It doesn't have a gross ale taste. It's not hoppy. I love it. It's great. It's a beautiful flavored beer for someone that likes plain beer. Little Brown Jug, you did good. You surprised me. Thanks so much for checking out this week's episode. I hope you like the style, and let me know in the comments below if you check out this beer, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys all next week. Bye.